Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the weaving of fabrics. Okay, and in the last class, we have seen that before we do weaving of fabric, we should do ginning and spinning processes. And final process is called weaving. So weaving is the process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric. For that, we should take two sets of yarn. It may have different colors, and we arrange the yarns in vertical order and in horizontal manner. And this is called the weaving, arranging yarn. Yarn means it is a combination of fibers. So we arrange the yarns in vertical manner and in horizontal manner. Okay, and in two ways we can arrange different types of yarns. Okay, we can take two different types of yarns and be can be arranged in two, and this cannot be done. This can be done by normally or by hand or by using some machines. Okay, and we call that machine as looms. So looms are either hand operated or power operated, or it work on electricity. Okay, there are two types of looms. So with the help of looms, the weaving can be done. So finally, we will get a long running fabric. Clear? And next process is called knitting. And in the weaving, you can see the example in weaving, arranging, making a paper weaving is done in the book. So you just watch the textbook, take page number 22 and see the pictures given on the top. How to make how to prepare a paper weaving. So two types of color papers are taken and they are cut into two small strips and arranging. In picture C, it is arranging vertically and horizontally, and in D we got a piece of paper with two colors of paper strips, or they are arranged in two different manner, two different colors. So that is a weaved paper in picture D. And in looming is done in by hand, that is in picture 313. Okay, hand loom. We call that as hand loom. Looming is done with the help of hand. Okay, or weaving is done with the help of hand. That is called hand loom. Then in the textbook, same page number, knitting is given. What is meant by knitting? And have you noticed how sweaters are knitted? Not only sweaters, some mufflers and scarves and sweaters, these all are knitted fabric. So how and have you ever pulled a yarn from the torn pair of socks? What will happen? If you pull out a single yarn from the sweater or any type of knitted fabric, and automatically all the continuous fabric gets unraveled. Okay, and knitting is that is knitted one, or with the help of a small needle called crochet. We can buy woolen rolls, and by using a small device called, or small needle called crochet, we can arrange all these in a particular order, and there are some stitches in it. If you know the stitches, you can do the knitting work. So that can be done by hand, and it can be done on machines also. Okay, so weaving and knitting are used for making different kinds of fabric. These fabrics are used for a variety of clothing items. And have you ever wondered what material people in ancient times for clothes? Okay, they used some bark and big leaves of trees, animal skins and furs of some animals are used in ancient time. But now we are using different variety of fabrics, and just like a variety of food, just like we have a variety of fabrics existing in existing today, and there are different clothing items. Okay, so with this we conclude the lesson, and what you want to do is you just read the pages from 21 from weaving, yarn to fabric. That is a heading given. From yarn to fabric you read up to the end, till the end of the lesson, that is in page number 23. Then we will do the exercise today, exercise in page number 24. Okay, all of you read it 2 times, then I'll give you the I will interact after your reading. We interact in Google Classroom itself. Okay, thank you all.